Hello students, you all are welcome in grade 6. Today's topic science, chapter number 14 water. Now, this is a very easy chapters, the term water. Suppose for some reason your family gets only one bucket of water every day for a week. Imagine what would happen. Would you be able to cook, clean utensils, wash clothes or bath? What are the other activities that you would not be able to do? What would happen if we do not have easy access to water for a long period of time? Right? Apart from drinking, there are so many activities for which we use water. So, do you have any idea about the quantity of water that we use in a single day? Here, these are our general use, right? Uses of water. What are the different uses of water? That is, here it is. You see the different uses of water. Speak one by one, you people, right? First of all, we use for drinking, bathing, right? Then we use water in agriculture. We use water to get the electricity. We use water in construction. We use water in paper factories, right? We use water in our for our drinking purpose, right? These are the uses of water. But our calculation is within one day how much we use water, correct? And you see that actually there are lots of water on the earth, right? Only 1/4 part that we live, but the remaining whole part, that is surrounded water, but that salt water, right? And out of them potable water, means using water, is very low percentage. So it is the time to use judiciously. We have to use water very judiciously. You see how much water do we use. Let's we see this activity. This table shows estimation amount of water used by your family in a day. Drinking, brushing, bathing, washing utensils, washing clothes, toilet, cleaning floor, any other, right? And total water used in a day by a family, correct? In this activity you have to write down the amount of water. Say for example drinking water, so today we use suppose 4 liters, brushing half liter, bathing 1/4 liter, washing utensils 1 liter, washing clothes 5 liters, toilets, in toilet suppose 3 liters, cleaning floor 1 liter, any other activities. So like this way we have to write down the amounts of water, and then we make the collection, we make the total of the water, how much liter of water that we use one family, and how many family in your area, right? Okay, in your street, then in your village, in your city, then in your the district, in your talukas, then in your uh, state, in your then nation, like that. So you can get the idea that how much amount of water that we use in this family purpose only. Other use of water, that is to use the water in electricity, construction, that are the different, but this is only for the family. So when you calculate, then you will get the exactly idea that how much amount of water that we use, potable water, every day, correct? So when we see that calculation, then it is very necessary that we have to use, we waste how much time of how much water we waste and how much water we use, correct? So to get the idea when we do this analysis. Now next point, where do we get water from? Let us we see the water resources. First resource, well, river, lakes, ponds, spring water means every 4 months in a year we get rain, so we get plenty of water. Sometimes we get less amount of water, sometimes we get more amount of water, right? Sometimes we get normal amount of water, sometimes we get more than normal amount of water. At that time flooded water will be flooded. So at that time many damages where we can see in our nation, right? Our country, according to geographical condition, it is good for us. So every 4 months we get enough amount of water, right? In our state, in Gujarat, we get enough amount of water, but in Saurashtra, we have scarcity of water. In Rajasthan, we have too much scarcity of water, right? In some of state, in Maharashtra, right, where we have to stand in a queue for getting water. But area, in that Dang and Ahwa and Masda area, the people they have uh, they face too much difficulty every day to fetch the water from that sources to their home, right? So it's a lots of problem to get the water. These are the sea waters that we have to require to find out some technology to get potable water from saline water, right? Uh, because sea water that we cannot use directly because it contain different type of elements which is not good for our health, right? Of course, we can bath in that sea, but we cannot use that sea water, saline water, right? So first of all, we have to remove the salinity of the water and then mix it potable water. But that technology is very, very costly, right? So now the scientists they discovered some technologies that we can prepare. We can use this salinity of water to convert into potable water. You see that in that salty water, right? From there we can get the salt because in that salty water and salinity that sodium chloride is there, common salt that we get from that sea water. Correct. You see in Gulf country there is a too much scarcity of water in that Gulf country, right? Because in that Gulf area you find wherever you when we dig something, when you dig the land you will get oil, but you will not get water. In some of area you will get the water in Gulf country. So water is very costly in those areas. But in our area, fortunately, we get ample amount of water, but we have to use judiciously, right? उनको हमें विवेक विनम्र पूर्वक हमें यूज करना चाहिए, right? वाटर को. Oceans cover a major part of the earth. Do you know that about two-thirds of earth is covered with water? Most of this water in oceans and seas. So the water in the oceans and seas has many salt dissolved in it. The water is a saline, just now I told you, so it is not fit for drinking and other domestic agriculture and industrial needs. So you might have heard the famous line of the poem, that is Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner, written by Saint College in 1798, that water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. Okay, here you see this in this poem, everywhere water is there, but it is not used for drinking. Right here, the poet has described the plight of sailors on the ship lost in the oceans. Yes, oceans plays an important role in supporting the water that we use. Do we find this surprising? After all, the water that we use is not salty. Many of us live in the places far away from the oceans. Thus, the water supply in these places also depend on the oceans. How does the ocean's water reach ponds, lakes, rivers, and well which supply us water? How come the water from these sources is not saline anymore? So, for that purpose, where the water cycle comes in, so water cycle that we will study next time. So, till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.